I've been gone for a while, but I have my reasonings. Yeah, I'm making a video because I know I haven't made one in a while, and I need to make something so I can post on YouTube. But I've been gone for a while. I've been at college. That's why my car is so packed. I don't know if you guys can see all that, but me and Logan, you guys remember Logan from the last video. He's about to help me take some of my stuff to storage. It is 8:30. Yeah, I'll pick it up soon.
2 seconds later.
No,
we just got to the storage unit. All these motherfuckers are here to help me.
Now go forward.
Yeah. You guys remember Logan from the last video?
No.
Damn. Yeah, but we just got to the unit. It's dark as f. But we got the car right here, all fully freaking loaded. Bruh. Boxes will go in first. But yeah.
We made it one full year in college. That's crazy.
That is pretty crazy. I'll give you the honor
privilege
of
of recording.
Yeah. I have to let
I'm recording now.
And then you zoom in like that.
Wait, which one?
This big one here. Yeah.
You guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Boy, if you don't get.
Did you fill it up?
Half tank. I'm gonna just pour the shit out of this thing in there. Can you hold this? You smell that?
Nothing like 92,
delicious.
right?
No, I wish.
Take a little sniff. Is it? Explain it, bro. Does it smell like alcohol or what?
Trying to here.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers to a year in college.
Squeeze that shit in there.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Yeet.
Yeah.
I'm out of focus. Hey guys, welcome back to CBAT's vlog. Ready?
What do you gotta say?
I'm gonna miss this car so much. But it's all good. It's gonna be kept in the storage unit, so.
Hi guys, I got a few words to say from Ashley herself.
So yeah, this is it. Car's gonna be kept here for a while till we get back. But I'm gonna miss the car, but it's all good. Hopefully in the summer I'm gonna be posting YouTube videos, you know what I'm saying? But it'll be a little difficult because I do have some summer classes that I need to take care of. But yeah, there's really not much to it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, W-mans with the lighting. Yeah, I'm gonna be sad the car's gonna be kept here, but it's all good. I have the Pilot back home so I can make plenty of noise with that.
Why is it so far to the left?
Yo, mama's so far to the left. Where that lock at?
Either a month is well. I actually wanted to own a car after it's done being paid for.
Oh, for real? How the f does this shit work?
Yo, watch this.
You're getting down and dirty with it.
What code?
The code to that lock.
It's this key right here.
Damn, just leave it on the floor. I'll come by tomorrow.
Alright, there you go.
Yo,
Hi.
that's good.
Come on, get in the hole.
Helping out.
Ain't no way.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
For YouTube videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to find me one of those.
That's great, bro.
What do you gotta say about that?
I don't even know. I'm wildin'.
Yo, we should play Fortnite.
You didn't.
What's your car's name?
I don't have a name.
Her name is
Rhonda. Huh?
Petunia.
Petunia?
Nah, I'm just kidding. That's my Squishmallow's name. It's
Hey.
give me a good name.
Oh, nah. This wildin'.
What is he? What are we doing here?
Yo, I'm in the YouTube video.
There you are.
Yeah, bro.
Say
Yes,
something.
sir.
Say something funny.
Nah, I don't want to be exposed.
Yeah, you was about to say something good.
I was gonna say some word.
Yeah, I know you was. Alright,
Come on, look at them.
Well,
Creased eye.
Shut up, they're clean. Let me see yours. Let me see yours. Point the camera at yours. The camera at yours.
God.
Yeah.
I mean, I've had mine for 4 years. You've had yours for 2-3 weeks, huh?
About a month.
Okay, guys, we're done. That's a wrap.
Oh, you son
What do we
of a gun.
think?
Why isn't the flash?
The 2020 school year. It's a wrap.
To an end.
Say something. End it off.
That's a wrap.
That was so bad. What do we gotta say, Sebastian?
We out this bitch, you know what I'm saying?